Hello everyone, I'm Nivedita, a PTE specialist of Y-axis, and in this video we are going to look at something interesting. Yes, that everybody is aware of, but a lot of times being overlooked. What are you supposed to keep in mind while you approach any item type for that matter? Be it speaking, writing, reading, and listening, there are some basic functions or the key points that I have here used so that you will not make any basic mistakes in the way how you would approach an item type. I'm not going to talk about the structure or the pattern, whatever it is, but how PTE actually works. And especially when you're going to give it for the first time, you might have a lot of questions. Though you might have watched the videos available on the official website or even our LMS, but you still have some queries, or you might be nervous about how the screen would be like, the look and feel, everything. Yes. So to know that, you can go to our LMS, you can watch the videos that we have uploaded. We have uploaded also content. If you read it, you will also be able to understand how the look and feel would be like. Right? But here, while you actually give your test, there are some 5 points, just 5, I want you to be aware of. Or remember throughout your PDA test so that apart from the mistakes that you make in the content, you wouldn't make any basic mistakes that would affect your response in any way. Right? Very first thing is to be prepared. Make notes. For describe image, read a lecture, summary, essay, you might have to take down notes. You're given this erasable notebook booklet. Make use of that. Don't just think, okay, it looks easy, let me just straight away go with that. Don't think that. Though it is easy, though it sounds super easy for an audio to listen to and summarize it in the listening module, you still have to make down notes so that you have everything ready. Even unfortunately, you get stuck. This notes will help you go in a flow. So first thing is to be prepared, that is to make notes of whatever you see, whatever you read, or whatever you are going to write or you are going to listen. Right? And the second thing is to wait for the beats one, especially in the or only in the speaking module, you have to wait for the beats one. Okay? So this beats one arrangement is there only in the speaking module because you're given some time for you to prepare, and then you'll have to start with your response. So as soon as you're ready, you get excited and you start. No, that doesn't work. Your responses will not be recorded first of all. Your audio responses are going to be saved for the speaking module, right? So you're given some time for read aloud, describe image, and read a lecture. You're given some time to prepare. Once the time is over, they will play the beat song and then you start your response. Do not start it before the beat song is given played. Right? And then once you have started with your response, wherever you're giving your oral response, you will have to keep track of your time. So there is no timer actually displayed. You will see this recording status bar, a plain bar. Right? This is your indicator. If it is empty, it is going to start. So when there are beats on displayed and you're about to and you start your response, it starts to fill. So this indicates this much time that you have spoken and this much time that you have left. So while you give your responses, keep track of time for any item type. And 3-second pause, again it is applicable in the speaking module mainly. While you give your responses, in the beginning itself you make 3-second pause, you will lose your chance to even give your response. Or you have started as soon as the beat song was played, but while you give your responses, you got stuck because of any reason, and you have given 1-second pause, no matter, 2-second pause, no matter, but a 3-second pause that will impact your response. How? You will not be able to speak. Yes, you will continue to speak. You might not even realize that you have made a 3-second pause, but the recording will stop. Whatever you have spoken before the 3-second pause, only that will be counted as your response for that item type. Okay? And spell check. Of course, when you write down your responses, you will write 2 summaries and 1 essay as your written responses. So 2 in writing and one in listening module. And also the answer short question, sorry, write from dictation and the listening module. So whenever you write, you will have to focus on your spelling errors or any other possible mistakes you might make. Because whenever we write, we have this Grammarly installed or any other application, we that would highlight the words. If there is anything wrong with that word, and that would even give you options, and you will just click on the word that it is correct, whatever you meant. But now, whatever you type, only that will be typed. If you realize there is a mistake, you will change it. Otherwise, it would just remain the same. So you'll always have to develop the habit of proofreading while you practice, so that it comes naturally to you. You'll be cautious in the test. So if you follow or if you remember all these 5 key points, at least the basic mistakes you can avoid, if not for the major ones that you might make in terms of content. So please remember this and apply it. It will make a huge impact.